Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss something about various types of dams. Basically in India, the dams are classified according to the functions, according to the structure or the materials we have used. So basically here I have listed some type of dams. So based on the function of dam, it can be classified as follows. That is storage dams, diversion dams, detention dams, debris dams, and cover dams. Okay, so next is the dams based upon the structures and designs. Okay, so these are gravity dams, earth dams, rockfill dam, arch dams, buttress dams, steel dams, and timber dams. So we can discuss these dams elaborately. So what will be the use or where we can provide the different kind of dams. Okay. So the first dam, that is storage dam, they are constructed to store the water during the rainy season, and we can call when there is a large flow in the river, we are going to store the water, and the same we can use whenever it is required during the off season. Okay, so here I have also mentioned the diagram by which we can understand the picture clearly. So this is what is the surcharge storage. Okay, this is the spillway crest by which the water will be stored. Okay, so this is how we can store the water. So the second type is diversion dams. A diversion dam is constructed for the purpose of diverting water into the river. Okay, into of river into an off-taking canal or a conduit. So when there will be a lot of water available in the river, we can divert that water to store into an off-taking canal, which can be used for the farming purpose or for the irrigation purpose or something like that. Second is detention dams. So detention dams, however, they can be used when there will be a flood. Okay, so to control that flood, we can provide this kind of dams. Also, these detention dams retards the flow in the river on the downstream side during flood. Okay, by storing some of the water. Debris dams, these are the dams which are constructed to retain debris such as sand, gravel, flowing in the river with water. So they will store this. Okay. Next is cover dams. It is an enclosure constructed around the construction site to exclude water so that construction can be done in dry. In short, whenever there is such kind of requirement that we want to construct something on the dam, that time a temporary, we can say, structure which will be constructed to make that portion dry, we can construct this kind of cover dams or temporary dams to facilitate the remaining construction or to modify the rest of portion. Okay, so next is gravity dams. So gravity dam is been classified under the category of we can say the design. So based upon design, based upon materials, we have classified this. So gravity dam is a massive structure or massive dam, we can say, which will be huge in size, and which will be constructed by using material concrete, which will be constructed using material concrete. Okay, and they are used to hold large volume of water. Basically the weight of concrete itself resists the flow of water coming on that. Okay, so now the next is earthen dams. Earthen dams are made up of soil or any available local material near to the village. okay, in which most of the impervious materials will be used to form a core and placing more permeable substances on the upstream and downstream side. Next will be a rockfill dam. Rockfill dam is built up of rock fragments and boulders of large size. An impervious membrane is placed on the rockfill on the upstream side to reduce the seepage through the dam. To reduce the seepage, this kind of dams are basically designed. Then arch, this is basically you can see the curved in plan, and somehow not mostly these are used, but this is a kind of a dam you also can see. So in engineering or in you can say the hydraulics, there are some dams been divided, so you can take help of this video to classify this in most efficient manner. So there is next type of dam, that is buttress are the triangular concrete walls which transmit the water pressure from the deck slab to the foundation. So here you can understand this thing better way by watching this picture. Okay, so steel dams or timber dams, or according to the material also they have been classified. So this is what is the steel framework which is used to store the water. When the water will not be in the more amount, you can also store it by just creating such kind of framework of steel. Okay, and then timber dams. So this is what is the last type, or these timber dams. Timber is not at all a huge, or you can say that much strong material to resist water in a large amount. So whenever there is a small head of water up to 2 to 4 meter, rarely up to 4 to 8 meter, you can use this kind of dams, not in a bigger amount. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. So if you like, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.